Welcome to West Run Morgantown, where quality and comfort meet accessibility and affordability. This range of fully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and 4-bed, 4-bath apartments are thoughtfully designed to include wood-style plank flooring, energy-efficient appliances, a microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, washer and dryer, and stainless steel double sink. The list doesn't end here. You also get to enjoy free Wi-Fi, walk-in closets, and a private balcony or patio. Hit the 24-hour fitness center, unwind at the resort-style pool, enjoy the tanning beds, get competitive on the basketball and sand volleyball court, gather in the resident lounge, shoot some pool, score at the foosball table, and mingle at monthly resident events. You'll never run out of things to do here. With a courtesy officer, controlled access, and on-site management at your service, you can always rest easy. Located in the heart of Morgantown, West Run offers close proximity to West Virginia University and easy access to local dining, shopping, entertainment, and attractions via its buses and line transits. A blend of cultural and academic learning opportunities thrives here. Visit amberstudent.com to join the vibrant student community at West Run.